Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails with specific subject lines to folders using Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all the automation features Power Automate offers, allowing you to streamline your email management. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look at the left side panel and click on Create. This section is where you'll build all your automated workflows from scratch. It's your starting point for creating custom automations tailored to your needs. Next, from the options that appear, click on Automated Cloud Flow. This type of flow runs automatically whenever a specific trigger occurs, like receiving a new email. It's perfect for tasks you want to happen in the background without any manual effort from you. Now you'll see a search bar where you need to find your trigger. Type in when a new email arrives and click on it when it appears. This trigger is what starts your entire automation, meaning every time a new email lands in your inbox, this flow will check if it matches your conditions. Once you've selected the trigger, click Create to set up your flow. With your flow created, it's time to add a condition that filters emails based on their subject line. Click the plus icon to add a new action, then search for condition and click it. Conditions allow you to set specific rules, so only emails that meet your criteria will be moved. In the first field of your condition, click the thunder icon. This opens a list of dynamic content from your email trigger. From this list, click on Subject. This tells Power Automate to look at the subject line of each incoming email. Now move to the second field and click the drop-down menu. From the options, select Contains. This operator checks if the subject line includes a specific word or phrase, rather than needing an exact match. It gives you flexibility in catching all relevant emails. In the last field, type the word or phrase you want to filter for. For example, you could enter project updates. Any email with this phrase in the subject line will now trigger the next steps in your automation. Next, click the plus icon under the true branch. This is where you define what happens when an email matches your condition. Search for Move Email and click it. This action will automatically relocate matching emails to a folder of your choice. Now click on the Message ID field, then click the thunder icon and select Message ID from the dynamic content. This ensures Power Automate knows exactly which email to move. It's a critical step that links your condition to the action. Finally, click the folder icon in the folder field. A window will pop up showing your email folders. Navigate through the list and select the folder where you want these emails to be moved. This could be a project folder, a client folder, or any custom folder you've created. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated flow that moves emails with specific subject lines to designated folders. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.